Hello everybody, today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips and tricks to help better your studying with the use of digital aids. My first tip for you guys is to use your technology to help you follow the Pomodoro method. There's plenty of apps on the App Store that can help you do this, but if you'd rather just use the technology you already have, you can use whatever app comes preloaded on your device to set a timer for 25 minutes. When the minutes are up, you can then take your break. This method of studying has been shown to greatly improve productivity. For number 2, we have digital note-taking. We use note-taking to help with our active listening skills as well as memory retention. Digital note-taking tools means that you can change font type, size, and color, change pen color, insert underlines, highlights, and shapes, add in diagrams from the internet, and undo and redo with the click of a button. Tip number 3 is using your digital aid to access the internet. YouTube channels like Crash Course or Psych2Go offer an insight into many topics that your teacher may ask you to study at home. Furthermore, students can use YouTube to access classical music to help with memory retention, video game soundtracks to help with focus, and ambient soundtracks like libraries and cafes to put yourself in the studying mood even when you're stuck at home. Last but not least, you can use your device to help schedule. This is particularly helpful for students who have time management issues. You can use the calendar or reminder app on your phone to help you block out when you need to study for what, as well as when upcoming tests are. These tips and tricks have personally helped me to improve my test scores. Hopefully my tips will help you improve your studying using digital aids too. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your next test!